Dear friends, welcome in this tutorial. We are going to learn about array initialization. You know that you can't make array initialization without understand how to make array declaration, right? So, and you know that once we are declaring an array, we just use, first of all, data type. We need to define the data type. For example, int, then array name, we can write like max. Then we need also to specify the size of our array. For example, 5, like this. To mean, here we already created the 5 addresses to hold 5 integers element, right? We created an array called max that designed to hold 5 integer values or elements. So when we are dealing with array initialization, it's all about assigning values to variables or assigning elements to array. Initialization, it's all about assigning values to elements or variables. So to do this, to make array initialization, we just write int like this, then max as our array name, then size also is still 5, then we use equal operator, right? Then we open and close these curly braces, then insert values. For example, first number, let us call it 34 like this, then 67, 45, 19, and for example 18. So as you see, we just assign this max to our array called max, right? And our max are integers. So this is how you can make array initialization in C++ programming language. So this is the end of our today's lesson. Please, if you missed the previous one, you need to go back and watch it again so that you can understand how array is defined and initialized. So thank you. Let us meet in the next lesson.